Guys, we will study now the individual injury to the each nerve. First, we will study ulnar nerve. You know, ulnar nerve, the root value is CAT1. The ulnar nerve injury causes a condition known as what? Claw hand. You already know it. Claw hand. You know, all the hypothenar muscles are supplied by what? Ulnar nerve, and one muscle from thenar compartment, that is what is it? Adductor pollicis. Okay, so any damage here, it can cause damage to these muscles. Okay, as well as you know the writing muscle, right? Lumbricals. Among lumbricals, the third and fourth lumbricals is supplied by again ulnar nerve. Now this claw hand is due to damage of or injury to the third and fourth lumbricals. Okay. Now third and fourth lumbricals will be damaged because ulnar nerve is supplying that one. Now this claw hand will be like something like this. You can see here. This is claw hand. Now see, you know FDS and FTP, right? There are two extrinsic muscles. We have studied it already. They originate from the medial epicondyle of humerus. Now these are supplied by median nerve. So when there is ulnar nerve damage, there is what is the function of FDS and FTP? To FDS flexes the proximal phalanges, FDP flexes the distal phalanges. Now if the ulnar nerve is damaged, the median nerve is working. So there will be unopposed action of FDS and FTP. So other reason is unopposed action of FDS and FTP. So this is the main reason for ulnar nerve. Now we have an important test known as Frohman's test or Frohman's test or book test. Very important MCQ. This test is done for ulnar nerve. I have told you in the thenar compartment one muscle is supplied by our ulnar nerve, right? What is our adductor pollicis. Now, if the weakness of, if there is injury to ulnar nerve, there will be weakness in adductor pollicis, right? What is the adductor pollicis? For adduction, right? So the finger, the adductor, the pollex finger will be adducted. Every time it will be adducted. You can see third and fourth here the phalanges will be hyperflexed. So when you put a book to read the book, will ask the patient will give to read the book, he can't turn the page because already his pollex finger is in an adducted position, right? Because the ulnar nerve is causing injury to the adductor pollicis muscle. Sorry, the patient can't adduct the pollex finger. Okay, so it is in a forced position. So he can't turn the page. Clear? Now there is one more test known as Card test. What is Card test? You know we have total how many muscles in hand? There are 20. Out of that 15 is supplied by ulnar nerve. So all other muscles will be supplied by ulnar nerve. You remember palmar interossei and dorsal interossei. These are also supplied by what? Ulnar nerve. So the interossei muscle. So there is a test known as card test. If you give the card, if you put the card in between the finger, the patient cannot be the patient with ulnar nerve will not be able to hold the card in between the fingers. So that it is due to the paralysis of the interossei muscles. You have palmar interossei and dorsal interossei. So here we will do the test known as Card test. So these are the tests for ulnar nerve. Now we will see the test for median nerve. Okay, because you remember PAD and DAB. Palmar interossei for adduction, dorsal interossei for abduction. You can remember dorsal interossei is for abduction, palmar is adduction. So adduction and abduction of fingers will be absent here in the case of ulnar nerve injury. So the patient cannot abduct or adduct properly. So the card test will be positive in ulnar nerve injury. Clear? So remember this is an MCQ, Frohman test and Book test. Clear? Now the next nerve we are going to study is median nerve. we know there is an important syndrome known as carpal tunnel syndrome. The median nerve damage cause what? Carpal tunnel syndrome. The carpal bones I have given you and a bone which is easily to dislocate. Remember the mnemonics. What is that? Dislocate, lunate. So any damage in dislocation of lunate bone can cause damage to median nerve as well as to cause carpal tunnel syndrome. Next one is to cause a phenomenon known as Yapes thumb. Okay. Now you know in thenar muscles all the muscles are supplied by median nerve except the adductor pollicis. It is supplied by ulnar nerve. So in Yapes thumb the median nerve, the FDS, FTP will also not be working properly. So you know the monkey hand, right? So the always the adductor, the pollicis finger, the thumb will be always in an adducted position. Okay, because here there is unopposed action, right? Only the ulnar nerve will be working. Now the FTS and FTP will not be working, so they cannot be flexed. Okay, so they will be in a this is like monkey's hand, you can remember. So here the first three thenar muscles will be damaged and adductor pollicis paired, right? Adductor pollicis unopposed action. So in clinic you will see it as Yapes thumb. Okay. Now there is one more phenomenon known as pointing finger or pointing index. Okay. So it is not about median nerve. I am just adding here. It is due to damage of FDS and lateral part of FDP. So it is asked in competitive exam. Can remember pointing index. Pointing index finger is due to damage of FDS and lateral part of FDP. So these are the things you have to remember about ulnar and median nerve. Okay, next we'll see what is about radian nerve.